Thinking of starting a precision engineering firm in Singapore? Singapore is a global hub for advanced manufacturing, supporting industries like aerospace, semiconductors, medical devices, and electronics. First, define your engineering focus. Will you specialize in CNC machining, tool and die making, automation components, or high-precision parts manufacturing? Your service scope will determine equipment investment, manpower requirements, and compliance standards. Next, register your business with ACRA. Most precision engineering firms choose a private limited company structure to manage liability, secure contracts, and support future expansion. Facility and compliance planning are essential. Your workshop must meet URA zoning requirements, workplace safety regulations under MOM, and environmental standards from NEA. Depending on your industry, skilled manpower is another key factor. Hiring qualified engineers, machinists, and technicians, and ensuring proper training, is critical to maintaining quality and productivity. Finally, set up robust accounting, cost control, and tax compliance systems. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support precision engineering firms with company incorporation, compliance advisory, and ongoing accounting and tax services. Visit our website to start your precision engineering firm in Singapore with confidence.